So yeah, in this video I will gonna show how to generate avatars, AI avatars in this app, which is the most viral feature. So just open the app. You don't even need to create an account. Just tap Magic Avatars, and you can tap Create New Avatars. And then yeah, you can see that you will be generated some new avatars like that. So it's not like you upload your image and then you just have your background blurred, or you whiten your teeth, or you change the color of your eyes, whatever. So that was like a trend, I guess, like a year ago. Now when you just upload a set of 10 your selfies, this app will generate a completely new set of like 100 pictures, which is pretty cool. And yeah, but sometimes AI is just not perfect yet, so then it can just generate some weird images and all of that. So just tap continue. Then you can have you just have some instructions which you can use here. You can use good photo examples, bad photo examples, what to use, what to not. Like basically make sure to include nice visible selfies, and then you just need to upload like 10 photos. For example, I can just use those. And then yeah, I can just add those. You need at least 10 selfies for this app to work. So don't use glasses, don't use like distant photos, don't cover yourself with a lot of like additional elements. Also, yeah, if you are in group photos or stuff like that, it will just confuse the AI. And then you can just check out, and then you can just generate all these avatars. There are 3 options in this app. There is 50 unique avatars for $6, 100 for $8, and 200 for $12. You can get 51% off if you subscribe to yearly subscription. And then yeah, you just pay for that. It's one-time payment. It's not a monthly subscription. And what you can expect. So I purchased the lowest package to get 50 avatars, and this is what you can get. So I just use the same images. Like as you can see, it's actually pretty close. I was pretty surprised that yeah, actually this yeah, this app is doing it pretty close. The facial expressions are like pretty close. Of course, maybe I just need to smile a bit more in these new selfies, but as you can see, I'm pretty impressed actually with the quality of it. It's pretty close. Yeah, you can see yeah, all the expression, all the images. There is, so which styles are here in the cheapest package? There is like superhero, stylish, mystical, sci-fi, astronaut, anime, adventure, cyborg, cosmic, rockstar, and that's it. So here you can see all of the pictures kind of, then you can just go there. Of course there are some bugs, but I don't see like huge bugs here yet, where yeah, some of the things are like this. So you can see it's still not like 100% there. As you can see, there are some bugs, but it's still pretty cool. Like some of the details, yeah, pretty close. I guess it will take some period until AI becomes really incredible. And for example, if you want to generate even your passport photo in future, or some of your LinkedIn or stuff like that, it will be pretty good actually. But for now, this is what it is. So yeah, pretty cool. Try it out. This is what you can expect. So just to set up your expectations, if you want to upgrade in this app, what you can get. This is like the package of $6. So it just includes only 50 avatars. If you want to get 100 avatars, it's like $7 or something, one-time payment. It's one of the top apps for this right now. Of course, there are other apps already. A lot of them are using this Stable Diffusion API, as I understand. So there will be more and more apps in this category, but definitely give it a try.